So let's go over step one. The facilitator provides an overview of the protocol and its purpose, which I have just done for you. But if you do this in another situation back in your school, you would need to go over step one, the protocol, purpose, and the roles. Step two is the actual presentation. And so Gary would then present his situation with coaching, what he's doing, and any challenge that he's facing. So he kind of gives them the context of his coaching and anything else that's relevant to his coaching situation. But make sure you pose a question to the group that you need help on. And since you've already posted this in the discussion board, we'll be reading what you posted. So just add whatever clarity you have to that problem that you've already posted. And you have up to 5 minutes to do that. And facilitator, you'll really need to watch the time. And so that we don't go too long. It's all the more time that is given to it. And it's for a purpose that it moves the conversation along, so don't let them go too long. However, if you're done early, feel free to go to the next step. Step 3 is reflection. And we have to turn over to page 33 of our coaching handbook. The group spends time in silent examination of the written work where Gary has posted in the discussion board. And so you get 5 minutes of silence to reflect on what he's written and what he's said. And jot yourself some notes, some questions you might have, some wows that you notice of his work, the complexity of his work. Jot any personal notes that you need as listeners. You'll have 5 minutes to do that, and Jane will call time on you when time is up. And then clarifying questions. We'll all come back together, and we get to ask Gary those questions that we need more information about. And again, 5 minutes. Now remember, clarifying questions are for you, the listeners. So those are the questions that are usually factual, that he can add rather quickly. They're not those deep probing questions. Jane, if we ask probing questions, ask them to hold that probing question for